Design by CCW, DIY design for the 21st century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I wanted to come on for just a minute or two and thank the host of this collaboration. The host for this week is Miss Mysterious Alberta, and her co-hosts are the other 4 members of Diva Dynasty, and they are Cynthia ShesoBless and Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and Miss Geraldine of Diva Decorating, and Lynn's Lifestyle Living. Again, I thank the ladies for co-hosting Tablescape Sunday every other Sunday. And again, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're not a member of my channel, or if you don't subscribe, I hope you'll do that today. I hope you'll go down, visit the playlist, visit all of the ladies of Diva Dynasty, and again, make sure you subscribe to this channel and tap that notification bell 2 times. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.